If a cell in our body is infected by a virus and the antiviral mechanisms of the cell is not sufficient enough, these viruses can get out of the cell and infect other host cells. To prevent this happening, these cells should be destroyed. This killing mechanism is mainly done by cells called cytotoxic T lymphocytes of the immune system. So, how does this cytotoxic T lymphocyte identify that this cell is indeed infected by a virus and that it should be killed? What this infected cell does is it has a molecule called MHC1, and it displays a part of this virus or a part of a product of this virus on the surface of the cell. This is basically like saying, I'm infected, please kill me. So the cytotoxic T lymphocyte recognizes that and says, okay, I'll kill you. And it kills it. So this killing of the cytotoxic T lymphocyte depends on this MHC1 molecule expressing this antigen on the surface. So what if the virus learns this and says, okay, the reason I'm getting killed is because of this MHC1 molecule showing a part of me on the surface of the cell. So, and what if the virus gets rid of this MHC1 complex, and now the cytotoxic T lymphocyte cannot identify the infected cell, therefore it cannot kill the infected cell. So this is a problem, right? So that's why there's natural killer cells. What natural killer cells does is it recognizes these MHC1 molecules in healthy cells by its receptors. So when this receptor engages the MHC1 molecule, the natural killer cell is in an inhibitory state. Nothing happens. But if the MHC1 molecule is not present, the natural killer cell gets activated and it kills this cell. So if there's the MHC1 molecule and a virus infection, the virus is displayed here. It is recognized by CTL cells and it kills the cell. By knowing this, if the virus gets rid of the MHC1 complex, the natural killer cell kills it. So the natural killer cells actually acts as a cheat-proof system. So if the virus thinks I'll cheat the system by getting rid of the MHC molecule, the antigen present in molecule, the natural killer cell detects it and says, oh no, you can't, I'm going to kill you. So of course, this is a simplified version. There are other molecules and other receptors involved, but this is basically the main function or the physiological function of the natural killer cells. Of course, there are other functions.